Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. In this video we are going to see two companies started their hiring for freshers. One will be BT company started their hiring and another one will be DAILYJobs from training software engineering role. I am going to explain this company, so watch the video till end. You are going to spend hardly 1 minute to watch it. It will be helpful for you in future, so don't skip it out guys. So this is will be BTech engineering from CS IT EEE communication. 2022 passed out can apply for this role. How to apply? Everything they mention only online with your CV, step by step process. Don't make any changes or any charges they won't follow. If you're looking forward to receive your application, final page you can edit it. This is from one of the top MNC from BT Technologies. BT Technologies nothing .NET technologies from all over India. The job function will be customer service India, Gurkam, Kolkata full time, and standard will be compensation. Closing date will be 30. This are the eligible criteria and the roles, everything they mentioned here. So don't bother about it. Easily you can get a job from BT Technology Consulting from all over India. So good opportunities for freshers with a good skill they can start there. And the next one will be training software engineering role from Releated from Pune, Maharashtra, India. On-site will be they are providing. So these are our terms and the eligible criteria. They have mentioned everything: bachelor in computer science, coding knowledge in C++, C/net, so many kind of things they are mentioned here. If you have done any certification in this one, it will be helpful for you to get a good job in IT MNC. So apply as much quickly what they are offer. Everything they mention in their compensation, driving, open source, cab providing, food offer, everything they mentioned here. So you can watch these two companies and start applying. It will be helpful for you in future. If you have any doubt regarding this applying, you just comment me in the comment section. I'll clarify your doubt. Thanks for watching this channel.